Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the app you want is open and responsive. Background loading can block split screen. Once the app is ready, swipe up from the bottom or tap the Recent Apps button to reveal your multitasking view. Make sure the other app you plan to pair appears in Recent as well, because you'll select it next. Don't waste time in settings. Get into Recent Apps now so you can pick the first window for split mode and proceed immediately. You tap the app icon at the top of its card in Recent Apps to open the quick menu, and then select Split Screen. This pins the first app to the top or left depending on orientation. Once selected, Recent stays visible so you can pick the second app, tap it to fill the remaining portion. If it's not in Recent, open the app drawer and launch it from there. The split stays active. This ordering ensures proper window sizes and avoids app relaunches. You complete the setup by dragging the black divider to resize panes or using the handle to swap positions. This gives you control over focus. When done, tap Home or drag the divider fully to one edge to close split screen and restore a single app. If split mode doesn't start, force stop the misbehaving app or reboot the Pixel 6a, because cache states often block multitasking. Make sure apps support multi-window. Some apps cannot run in split.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.